Alright, 4th graders, first we're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, our primary colors red, yellow, and blue. We are also going to need something to create a circle. Now you could use a compass or tape, but in this case I found it easy just to use a bowl. Make sure you ask your parents before you use any dishware. You will also need a ruler. I'm going to lay down my bowl or whatever I'm using to make the circle. I'm going to make sure I hold it down tight, and I'm going to trace around the edges. The pencil should be touching the edge all the way through. Next, I want you to find the middle or the center. You are going to want to add 2 dots here. Now using your ruler, place it on both dots, hold tightly, and create your first horizontal line. Next, I'd like you to put a dot in the very center of this line, and you will draw an X. This creates the foundation for our color wheel, so you should have 6 slices of pie. Next, we're going to label the primary colors. First, that will be red up top. We are going to skip 1 slice of pie and label the second, which is yellow. Skip 1 more time. The one on the left should be blue. Now take your color pencils, take your time, and color these in neatly where they are labeled. So first I'm starting off with red. Once you are finished, get your secondary color, yellow, and let's go ahead and color in this slice of pie of our color wheel. Remember, I don't want to see scribbles, I want to see nice, neat coloring here. Finally, we take our blue and we color in the third primary color. Once you are finished, you are going to blend the 2 primary colors together. First, start out with either color. Here I chose to start out with yellow first, and all I really have to recommend is press lightly. You don't want to overdo this so that the second color does not take. I color yellow first, and I go back over that yellow with the red. You will start to see what color we get. It's orange. Now blend these colors together as neatly as possible, trying to make a nice even tone. And once you are finished, I would like you to label it. Orange, our secondary color. Next, move down. Yellow and blue. What 2 colors do these make when we blend them together? I chose to start out with blue first, but you could start out with yellow if you'd like. Remember to press lightly, creating 1 layer of blue, and then we are going to go back over with yellow to create a second layer, creating the secondary color, green. Again, when you are finished, you need to label this as green. We are almost finished. We have 1 more slice of pie of our color wheel. Blue and red. I chose to start out with red, creating a smooth layer of red, pressing lightly, like I did from the beginning. Then I'm going to take my blue, and again, you don't want to press super hard with the blue because you might overdo it. It might just turn out looking blue. You want to have an even balance, 50-50 of red, 50% blue. And as always, when you are finished, make sure to label it. I label my purple as violet. You could write purple or violet, it's your choice. You'll notice that purple and violet are two words that are somewhat interchangeable. When you are finished, make sure that you label it, and that is how you make a color wheel. Guys, next week we are going to be using the secondary colors again. Thank you so much for joining me.